Alright, now let's look at this question we have here. The question says the number of valence electron in an element with atomic number 10 is dash. A 2, B 4, C 6, D 8, E 10. So we are asked to find the number of valence electron in an element that has atomic number 10. Simple one. So the atomic number is 10, right? So if the atomic number is 10, what is valence electron? Before we start looking at valence electron. Valence electron is electron at outermost shell, right? The electron and the outermost shell of that atom. So since the atomic number is 10, we know that the electron in total will be equal to 10. Now let's simply do that. First of all, we have to write the electronic configuration of that. So this is 1 s2, 2 s2, 2 p. So we know that p can hold how many electrons? 6 electrons. 6. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the atomic configuration of that atom. Or shell configuration 2, 8. This is shell atomic configuration, or this is orbital atomic configuration. Either of them. As we got the shell, it means that the atom has just two shells. Shell number 1 and shell number 2. So on shell number 1, we have 2 electrons. Shell number 2 have 8 electrons. And like I said, what we mean by valence electron? Valence electron is electron outermost shell. How many electrons do we have in outermost shell? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer is C. Valence electron is equal